Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, parking sensors, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2017 Maxima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.